Okay, this sometimes happens straight from the factory, even if it is brand new, wrapped up. Um, you pull out the center here where there's a screw, and no matter how much you tighten it, it don't tighten enough. Okay, well, I figured out how to fix that. Um, I do a lot of fix stuff around the house. I just happen to have this kit here. It's 347 pieces, which you don't need all that. All you need is a nice little washer. Take this off, put the washer on, tighten it down, and it's good to go. Not stripped no more.